Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a crucial aspect of crypto mining, hash rate monitoring. Think of it as a fitness tracker for your mining rig, because let's face it, we all want to know how hard our machines are working. First off, what is hash rate? It's the speed at which your mining hardware can solve cryptographic puzzles. Picture it as your miner's workout speed. A higher hash rate means your rig is working faster and processing more transactions. Kind of like a sprinter crushing a marathon. Now, why should you monitor your hash rate? Well, first it helps you identify performance issues. If you notice a sudden drop in hash rate, it could signal a problem with your rig, like overheating or hardware failure. It's your miner's way of saying, "Help, I need a break." Next, monitoring allows you to optimize your settings. With real-time data on your hash rate, you can tweak parameters like clock speed and power consumption to find that sweet spot. It's like tuning a guitar, getting everything just right for the best performance. Another benefit is comparing different mining algorithms. By tracking your hash rate across various algorithms, you can see which one is the most profitable for your setup. No more guessing games, you'll always know where to focus your efforts. And don't forget about tracking your profitability. Monitoring your hash rate helps you understand how much crypto you're mining versus the electricity costs. It's like keeping an eye on your wallet while ensuring your rig isn't costing you an arm and a leg. Lastly, keeping historical data on your hash rate allows you to spot trends over time. By reviewing past performance, you can make informed decisions about upgrades or changes to your mining strategy. It's like looking at your mining diary to see how far you've come. So, if you want to maximize your mining efficiency and stay on top of your game, investing in hash rate monitoring tools is a must. Join us and reach your next crypto level.